What's going on YouTube? It's Astronaut H and I'm here with another video. But before we get into all that, I'd like you guys to do a few things for me. Could you please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Now that that's all out of the way, I'm excited. I'm super excited for this video today. Today we have a sneaker review. Oh my goodness, I'm excited.
Goes. So excited! So excited!
About this one today. Today's video, I'm bringing you guys a very, very, very special shoe in my opinion. I've waited months for this shoe. No fault to, no fault to anybody. Not like it was in the matter of fact, it was in the mail for a long time. You guys seeing this video, Happy New Year to everybody. I've been waiting for this, by a slip up of the United States Postal Service. They've been slow and everything's been backed up because of the holidays, but I finally received my package, one of many. But today I have something special. If you've seen the title of the video, then you know what this is. So we're gonna get into this unboxing. Let's get right into it. Gotta have the trust.
And let me see what you have. No!
Oh my God.
Rusty knife. Let's get into it, man. Let's get right into it. Like I said, I'm excited. So we can all unbox this together. Let's all see it. I don't even want to let you guys know exactly how I'm feeling right now, but it's like Christmas. Christmas was pushed back because of the post office. So you guys will get to see these for the first time with me. Like I said, I'm excited. Ooh, man, oh man. Let's put that down. So now that you guys, I want to open it and let you guys see it at the same time I see it. So let's put this box down and let you guys see the SIA Somewhere in America. Ooh. Get a glimpse of that box. The SIA Somewhere in America NASA. This box is so wicked. Ooh, this box is wicked. Oh my God. Let's get another look at just the box alone. It's just crazy. I don't know what brand is out here really doing boxes like this. Shout outs to SIA Collective. If you haven't heard or you've been under a rock for a while, this brand has been doing a lot of amazing things. And I was fortunate enough to trust the process and pre-order a pair of the NASA Low. Without further ado, let's look at the sizing. Of course, you guys see size 12, my size. SIA Collective, Culture Vulture, And let's just get into it. Let's get into some of the details on the box. The whole outer space vibe is there. The box is really nice. It's well put together. Let's crack it open. If we can. Let's get it open. I always have difficulties with boxes and stuff like that. If you saw the last video, I was struggling. I'm struggling this time, yo. Oh, here we go. Okay, so now we got that. We pull the drawstring out. I'm struggling again, yo. Okay. Now that that's all out the way, we have the shoes here. They are actually in plastic bags. Plastic bags, you see? Let's actually give, I want to take one out and give you guys an overall view of the shoe. And here's the shoe. Here is the shoe. Here is the shoe. I mean, wow. There's nothing too much to be said about the quality. It's like pristine. You have your glow sole. You have your remove before flight with the SIA there. You have your vulture in the back. Your black collar. Your blue with gray upper. You have your gray here, red there, of course. Black midsole, glow outsole. If you guys can see, SIA on the inside. Man, it's crazy because it's like as many things as this shoe does, it glows, it reflects. I mean, it's a very impressive shoe by a black-owned brand. These are highly coveted. Like, if you follow SIA Collective on Instagram, and you know exactly what the brand does and what the brand stands for. Like, the owner of the brand stands for also. It's just like, I don't think Pixie, the craziest thing I think about SIA, every time I see like a post or I see somebody with a pair or I see somebody post a pair, pictures and videos don't do these things any justice. It's like when I finally have a pair in my hand, it's like this is not a flimsy shoe. Like this shoe feels like it's put together really, really well. Like you can just feel it. Like you can just hold it in your hand and know how, the quality is there. You can just look at it and tell. For me, it would only be right if Astronaut H get a pair of a shoe called NASA, correct? So, I had to. Honestly, this is my first pair of SIA Collectives. I'm gonna give y'all some insight. I have a lot of other pairs on the way. It just feels good to actually support another brand that's on the come up and does dope things. Doesn't make just because it's like a hype shoe or you gotta get it because of this or you gotta get it because of that or because it's the resale value was there. But this just is a great shoe. Like just looking at it, it's just beautiful. Like everything about it, the execution is done so perfectly. I'm impressed. I was impressed before I even got the shoe in hand. So now actually having the shoe and adding it to my collection is I think it's only right to have a few of these in the stable. Now, let's get into the most important part and let's rate these things, man. Let's just call it what it is. For me, I'm gonna be honest. This is a strong 4.5 out of 5. I'm just impressed overall. I'm not disappointed. I might be a little biased, but I'm just overall excited and to have them in hand finally after months of waiting and going through the pre-order process, which you do have to trust the process if you are going to pre-order shoes. Not every shoe by SIA Collective is a pre-order. Some shoes you can just grab just because, but also, if you're going to pre-order, trust the process. And shout outs to, you know, the SIA community. Shout outs to everybody that's a part of the journey, and just this is just dope to have and see, and especially in a year like 2020 we had, and now going into 2021, it's like you're excited to see what brands like that take leaps and bounds and go above and beyond, not only for the customers but also for the culture. It's like the sneaker culture over the years have been like saturated with like too many the same stuff. It's like you see the same things being released, different colors. It's like, bruh, I mean, you need that difference. You need that other wave. You need something else, like, to, you know, come in between what everybody deem is like it, and then like shock the, you know, that shock value. That's always a good thing to have. Like I said, SIA Collective, man, the NASA's, I'm impressed. 4.5 out of 5, man. I can't even call it. I'm very impressed. Yeah. Again, man, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can see everything I got coming for you guys in 2021. Let me know what you guys want to see. I got some other things up my sleeve, you know, for 2021, for the new year, that I want you guys to take this part of this journey with me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one.